Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol MARK. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. If you're not sure what I mean by 30-minute, I do offer an explanation video at that link. Did this analysis yesterday, so that is where the red and green line annotations are coming from. But after today's price movement, a very, very savage move. Big gap down, just a nasty situation. So I'm just going to go ahead and use these annotations for some of the nearer term levels, because sure, these levels up here still do pertain. They're just totally not relevant after today's price movement. And from a presentation standpoint, I don't want to risk causing clutter and confusion because there's lines everywhere you look. So let's try to keep this as clean as possible. So as far as supports are concerned now, newest level to watch going forward is going to be in the near term right there at $1.83. And the next key level down there at the $1.73 mark. And $1.73, nothing fancy at all, other than the fact that that's just simply where the bleeding and bloodshed finally stopped this morning. So keep a close eye on that and watch that very closely. As of now, though, got a nice little, what we would call in the world of candlestick analysis, a hammer candle there. Now, just because there's a hammer candle doesn't mean that for sure the price is going back up. But at this point, nice hammer candle on respectable volume. You know, it wouldn't be shocking to see some sort of attempted movement back to the upside, and which brings about the levels of resistance, because yeah, if there is some sort of attempted movement back to the upside, then the first key level of resistance to watch very closely is going to be right here at, let me make this a little bit smaller, right here at $2.05. And then if 205 can be broken from the overarching standpoint, you would then want to turn your attention to that purple line up there, which on my chart denotes the 50-period moving average, keyword or current level being 230, but keyword being moving, because yes, right now it's at 230, but as time goes by, that line is going to move itself downwards, and that value will decrease. But I'm probably getting a little bit too far ahead of ourselves, because first, the price just needs to prove that it can actually get up through that initial red line right there. But all in all, yeah, rough day today, but who knows? Maybe this thing is trying to, take shape here to get some sort of bounce back to the upside, which from a trading standpoint might prove to be profitable, so we'll see what happens with it. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up, as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.